Welcome to another very quick examples video. This one is on index law 5, the last of the index laws, but we still have one more thing to do with indices to go after this. So this is index law 5 and it's very similar to index law 4 and 3. So it's going to have that same idea. So what it says is we've got division going on here. So, and there's a power outside the brackets. We apply the power to both the top and bottom of our fraction. So as you can see here, we've got A divided by B, and it's all to the power of M, so we just put the power of M on both. So if we quickly go and do some examples. So here's two examples. So this one here, A, is very straightforward. Alright, so all we do, so remember to put that power of 1 on. It just helps save mistakes later. Okay, so I'm going to go 6 to the 1 times 3. Alright, and then the bottom is B, and then it's going to be 1 times 3. Okay, so you end up with 6 to the power of 3 and B to the power of 3. And bam, it is done. You don't go any further with it unless you want to evaluate 6 to the power of 3, which we don't need to unless it says so. Alright, so let's go to B, where we've got a little bit more going on here. So look and go, is there anything that does not have a power on it? If there is, put your power of 1 on it to remind you. So this negative 2 doesn't have a power, so we'll put a 1. The 3 and the B. So now everything has its own power. So now let's go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to go 1 times 4. Okay, so the 1 is the 2's power, and the 4 is the outside the brackets. Keep that A, and we're going to go 2 times 4. Alright, the 2 is the A's power, and 4 is outside that brackets. We just keep repeating with the rest of the numbers, so we end up with 1 times 4 for the 3. Same thing for the B, 1 times 4. And for C, we have 3 times 4. Alright, so then now we simply go ahead and simplify. So we'll have negative 2 to the power of 4. A to the power of 8. Bam, done. Now do the same for the bottom. 3 to the power of 4, B to the power of 4, and C to the power of 12, because 3 times 4 is 12. And that's it. It's done now. Done and dusted. Bye-bye. Alright, so I hope that helps and makes sense, and good luck.